In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arma Reforger on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can acquire and start playing Arma Reforger on Xbox. Keep in mind that I'm not going to go in depth about how to actually play the game mechanically, how to understand the mechanics and so on. I simply want to showcase how you can acquire it. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this through the Xbox website, but you can follow along through the Microsoft Store or the Xbox Store on your console. So if you go over to Xbox.com, you can use the search function and look for Arma Reforger, and it should be the first result. Or you go over to the website, click Buy Game, and then Buy on Xbox Store. Either of these options will redirect you to the Xbox Store page for Arma Reforger. And of course, you can do the exact same thing directly on your console through the store in there. So if you don't want to do it through the website and sign into your account, just do it through the console. Now you will be able to purchase. So sadly, the game is not free to play. It costs $39.99 off sale, or you will be able to save a little bit with Game Pass. So to keep it simple, it's going to cost you $40 to play Arma Reforger on Xbox. You will see a bunch of videos, screenshots, and you can check reviews if you are unsure if you want to purchase the game. Keep in mind that it is only available for newer gen Xbox consoles, so Xbox Series X or S. It is not available for Xbox One. And primarily, it is going to be a multiplayer online game. You can set up single-player missions and conflicts, but the main purpose is going to be to play with other people on extremely big maps and war zones. So all that you have to do is look for Arma Reforger on the Microsoft Store, choose the option to buy, and add the game into your account. Afterwards, you open it up, sign in, and you are good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arma Reforger on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.